couldn't see the light, I was in the dark. I couldn't see the light, I was in the dark. I gave bro my pipe, I know he a spot. Gambling with my life, but I'm gonna beat the odds. You playing with your life, if you play with squad.
YouTube. I ain't gonna go that way. What's poppin', family? I usually do that little squeeze while I turn that way, but I'm like, yeah, nah. I'm not on my way home. I'm not on my way to work. I'm not nothing. I'm on my way to Dunkin. I ain't getting none. Somebody is. How much you want to bet we gonna see at least one deer? This they time. Y'all let me know down in the comments how y'all doing, man. How y'all day going? How y'all day went? Can't go that way. I think this is my first time recording with you. First time recording with you?
Yeah.
I thought I just seen one, a deer. I had got it on dash cam. It's not even, see, I gotta get me another SD card. It's like this SD card be working, but then it don't really be working at the same time. But when I had came from the electronics store, it was a Mustang in front of me, 5.0. I had hit it, then he had hit the gas. I'm not going that way. Even though they keep telling me to go on Milton Road. I'm gonna have to turn left anyway. I should hop out and get a thumbnail. That's what we gonna do. Just right here.
What? Wait, what are you doing?
I'm gonna get a thumbnail for the video. I can get the picture from the video. You like, what you doing?
I got the hat, so it's like
They like muffled. Like, damn, come on, I'm gonna hit my hot bands too then. Let's go ahead then. I don't even care. I know yours ain't as bright as mine. He gonna try to lead his on like, nah, you ain't gonna make me turn mine off. Yeah, we gotta go to Miller's. I ain't been there in a minute. I like this time of day though, cause it's like, it's not really not that many people. Huh? Yeah, and like, not that many noises going on. Huh? Say it again?
Like if we party.
Who? Oh, your neighbors?
At our house.
Neighbors.
Yeah. We should invite them.
Definitely gonna have to invite them over so they.
We'll get to bring them food or something.
Yeah. Bring them people something.
Nice to party.
Mm-hmm.
A healthy party. At some point, she used to have gatherings every weekend. With her friends. Oh,
I must be past the line or something.
mm-hmm.
I'm like, why is this light not turning? There we go. There we go,
It would
buddy.
have been there forever, waiting.
If I hadn't realized.
Yeah.
I feel like eventually the light would have rotated.
Another night, I've noticed that there's no point.
TK, I'm not trying to kick it. Tell that bitch me TK, I'm not trying to kick it. Tell that bitch I'm here TK, I'm not trying to kick it. Rap out with my T like I come straight out the trench. I used to rock ribeyes, now I rock a Berlins. Told her I'ma come and catch her beef when she miss. Mama told me, boy, if it ain't broke, won't you fix it? I was in them trenches, but I still was that bitch. The folks never post switching, boy, you know they ain't missing. We don't make old beats, boy, you know what it is. Even when I ain't have a dime, I still sit on business. That lost her rapping, man, she think that I'm trapping. I can't bring the folks around, I know he gon' know. I don't know nothing, but I know that she can get with it. Told her mama, keep her teeth, 'cause I ain't sipping no liquor. Know that nigga hold her teeth like G.O.D. Real precious. My little nigga, he don't ski, but he rock ski on the bitch. We took 6 like C.O.D. and we push P on the bitch. I didn't push out of my car, they come back keys. I'ma do whatever I want, nigga, I don't need no permission. I fuck with her when I want, nigga, I don't make it for a cent. No, I'm nothing like these niggas, you can't tell that I'm different. Even when a nigga slip, but you can't tell that I'm slipping. Even when I connect to myself that I can't. So I talk to 12, and if I say jump around, tell my uncle I was in smile. The folks like a light bulb, and that low, he gon' lie. Even with my eyes closed, I can see through the rain. I can't make no typos, I can't make no mistakes. Play with us, hope you got guy crawling on me, I shake. Alright, we back. I'm back. We got the coffee. Yeah, mine better than hers. I don't know how they be doing it. It's like they be making it different. You tell them the exact same thing and it be different from each cup. I don't get it. Look at them racing. Illegal. It's illegal to street race. I gotta get my suspension checked out because the suspension, it be like them little clunking sounds. I don't be knowing what, why, where they coming from. You White Castles? Nah, they trash. What the? Come on, man. That shit is ridiculous. Like, what the fuck? We drive on these roads. Why they always fucked up? don't understand these people. This the road I was on when that Durango was on the wrong side. Yeah, I was behind him this whole way. He was going slow the whole time. There's nobody. He was doing this. And then when we got up there by this train track, and you seen what I did, I went around him. Came back in one of the wrong side. You know, but when I thought about it, because you know when we first get on that road, it tell you that lane, that right lane is ending. And I had forgot, and I had hit my signal, and then I had almost got over. And then he might have seen that, like, oh, he trying to go around me. That's why I went around him, man. What the hell is that? I wonder why this guy's down here the cheapest. That's $236. And they still $229 down here. Say it again?
When I recorded you from here?
Yes. Look at that. Like infinity. And them little rims on there. Yeah. Can I get that in the shot?